Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by protecting your system. Save open files and create a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Once done, restart into safe mode using Shift plus Restart, then troubleshoot right arrow advanced options, right arrow startup settings, and enable safe mode. Make sure to enter safe mode before changing drivers. This prevents the display driver from locking files and ensures Windows removes user display configs properly. Now that you're in safe mode, proceed to Device Manager to remove the graphics driver cleanly. In safe mode, open Device Manager and expand display adapters. Right-click your GPU and choose Uninstall Device, then check Delete the driver software for this device. This forces Windows to drop custom driver files and display presets. Once removed, shut down and reboot normally, Windows will detect the hardware and install a generic Microsoft Basic Display Adapter or the proper default driver. This step resets scaling, resolution, refresh rate, and color profiles back to safe defaults, so your display returns to stock behavior. After reboot, verify defaults in Settings Right Arrow System Right Arrow Display. Confirm resolution, scale, and refresh rate are correct, and remove any color profiles from color management. If you need better performance or features, download and install the manufacturer's official driver. Make sure it's the latest WHQL release. If the display still misbehaves, return to your system, restore point, or repeat the uninstall in safe mode and reinstall the driver. This troubleshooting tip recovers you from a bad driver install without further risk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.